Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 2 more days worth of sales on Poshmark. Let me show you some of the cool things that I sold and why I have multiples and see, are they different prices or did I make more on some than others, and why I love to sell duplicate things for a single listing. It's definitely a time saver. All right, our first sale was a pair of Champion Poise athletic shoes, C9 Champion sneaker. They look just like this. Also, for those of you who are interested, I found a really cool wireless mic option. And so I'm actually going to put that link down in the description. So those of you who do YouTube, I've tried a couple of different wireless mic options. One of them was really expensive and didn't really work. This one was super inexpensive, only $50, and it's basically just plugs right into your headphone jack. So I'll put the link in the description. Hopefully it will work for you. So anyway, those pairs of shoes were $9.25 is what I earned. So what I'm going to do in this video that's going to be different from the other Poshmark sales videos that I've done is I'm going to give you the number that it actually sold for. So these shoes actually sold for $14. And so I want to put that down so you know actual sales price. And the reason why I'm doing it on this video and not others is I have a little bit less that sold these 2 days. So I'm going to give you true sales numbers. And then next to it, I will write the number of what it actually, what my total profit was going to be. All right, so let me grab another marker. I'm going to write my profit number in a different color. So $14 is what they sold for. My actual earnings were $9.25. And so just like all my other videos, I'm going to do the $9.25. I'm going to subtract the $4 I paid for those. So $9.25 minus my 4 is $5.25. So this is actual profit, and this here is going to be my sales number, what it actually sold for. Because a lot of you wonder, why do I sell things for so little money? Well, I don't sell them for little money. $14 is a lot different than the $5.25 profit. Do you understand? All right, so let's go on to the next item. The next item I have is a beautiful pink women's top. It's kind of got an accordion style on it. It actually sold for $9. So we're going to put $9 here. And then my actual earnings, because sometimes I give discounts and things like that in Poshmark fees, $4.25. That was only $2 out of a liquidation box. So I'm at $2.25 for my profit. Then we're going to move on to, this is really exciting for me. I've had these rubber boots for a while. I bought way too many of them at way too high of a price. So my profit on those are probably not going to be great simply because I really did spend too much money on them. But $7 is what I paid for them. This particular pair sold for $15 total. And then my actual earnings were $10.20. I'm going to subtract that $7 that I spent, and it's going to be $3.20 on that one. The very next box is also another pair of those boots. So we're just going to go right on down the list, and I'll tell you how much those sold for. Those also sold for $15. And then my earnings on that one was $10.20 as well. So we're at $3.20 again. So as you can see, my sales are much higher than where my profit is. So that's partly why I wanted to do this video, to show you the difference. Then I have a pair of a 2-pack of seamless bikini brief underwear, micro underwear. Those sold for $8 for a pack of 2. And then my actual earnings were $5, and then I got that out of a liquidation box for $1. So I'm going to take the dollar off of the $5.05 is what I earned to make it $4.05. So it's shocking I made more money on underwear profit margin than the boots because I spent way too much on the boots. And then I have, okay, so I had gotten a liquidation box with a bunch of extra stuff in it. And so, extra like intimates and stuff. And so what I did is I actually made my own bundles. This is a 5-pack of sexy thongs. And so I have a 5-pack, but those actually sold pretty decent. But they were kind of miscellaneous ones that I wouldn't be able to sell any other way. So they sold for $4. I'd say I have about $1 invested. My earnings were $1.05, so I'm at 5 cents of actual profit. Then we have another pair of these black boots down here in this box. Those actually sold for $10. So I have a feeling I might lose money on this. My earnings were, I actually didn't lose money, $7.05. So I made a whopping $5 on those pair of boots. So make sure you always buy your items right. It definitely makes a difference. Then I have a 42 Double D halter underwire padded bra, $7.05. I actually purchased that at Savers for $5, and so I actually sold it for $10. My earnings were $7.05 minus the $5 I paid, so $2.05 is my profit there. And then the next item that I have is a one-piece women's swimsuit that's blue and yellow, size small. It sold for $14. And then I actually earned $9.25, and then I spent $2 from a liquidator on it, so I'm at $7.25 of profit on that. So this is actual money going into my pocket. Then I have a everyday bra illusion neckline lace wired black. $2.25 is what I earned, but it actually sold for $7. And then $2.25 is my earnings minus the $1 I paid for it, so I'm at $1.25. Then I have a New Day cardigan green. $14 is what it sold for. And then I earned $9.25, and $2 is what I paid out of a liquidation box, so I'm at $7.25 there. And then we have one more item, and then I'm going to add everything up for you for these 2 days of sales on Poshmark. So this is a women's embroidery blouse, kind of a peasant style. It sold for $16. And then my earnings were $12.80 minus the $2 that I paid out of a liquidation box for it. So it's at $10.80. So I'm going to add up exactly how many orders this is, and then I'll give you my sales total as well as my total profit minus what I paid for it total. So that'll give you the difference between what it sold for and actually how much money I get to pocket. All right, I've got everything added up. So my actual sales for these 2 days came out to $136 in sales. Okay, so you definitely need to keep track of how much you paid for your items so that you see a true profit number. My true profit number is based on the earnings after fees. $46.65 is what I earned for my true profit number, which is taking out the fees, the shipping, and the cost of goods, which is what I paid for the item. I actually spent about $89.35 on fees, shipping, and cost of goods for the difference between shipping and what my profit numbers were. So hopefully it's been helpful to see exactly how much I make. And if you don't keep track of how much you pay for each item, make sure you do so that you can deduct those and have it be part of your business expense. So hopefully it's been helpful. I'm going to get all this package shipped out to my customers to make them happy. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.